Hi everyone, Mum here with you. What I've got today is an idea to share that I think might come in handy for journals or photo albums or scrapbooks where you need some extra writing space. And what I've got is, I'll show you, this what I call a book. And I'm not trying to do a bad impersonation of a chicken. It's a book for a book. And it looks as if it's just floating there as if by magic. And I'll show you how I've done that. First of all, you're going to cut your pages that you need for your book. And I've got 4 pieces of dyed paper here. And I folded them in half. You're also going to need a piece of card, which again I folded in half. And then open up the book, place the card about halfway down the spine so that the folds are aligned, if you can see that. And then take it over to your sewing machine and sew down there. I've got one here that I did. If you can see that, I've just sewn along there. Okay, when you've done that, take your journal and decide where you want to place it, wherever you like. Well, I'm going to place mine here. And what you need to do next is I'm going to put this cutting mat under my page, so I only cut the one page. I'll line up where I want my little book to be, and where this piece of card is, I'm just going to make a little mark where it starts and finishes, like that. Okay, and then get a ruler and a blade and just cut between those 2 spots like that. So what I've got is just a slit in the page. Then take your little book and fold those flaps back like wings, and then thread them through that slit. Okay. Just move that out the way. So what we have on the other side is just these 2 pieces of card poking through the slit. Now here I have a choice. I can just stick them down and then put another page over it and glue those 2 pages together, which I suggest you do if your journal has very flimsy pages like this one. Or the other thing you can do is, I'll just glue them down. Like so. Okay, stick that down and then get a picture or something that's going to be pertinent for the next page when you do your journaling on it, and stick that over it so that it becomes part of your next page. Okay, so what you have is just a book that appears to be floating in mid-air, like that. Hope you can see that. I'll lift it up a bit. Alright, well that's all there is to it. I know I always say that it's easy, but this really is easy, and it will give you that extra space to to write in your journals, or if you've got a photo album that you don't want to intrude on the pictures but you want to tell the story, then it's a good way of being able to document your photographs. And the same with your scrapbooks. If you've got a nice layout but you want to tell a story about it, well, you can just add a little book, and then it's not intruding on your artwork. Alright, that's all for today. Short and simple one. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Have a good day.